What's up, guys? Gonna do a quick video today of something that I found. So I noticed today everyone seen the market has really been going up. One thing that I've been actually trying to learn is this thing called trend following. It's a trading strategy which I'm implementing long term, and this is basically just to kind of ride the upward trends and not take the huge drawdowns that we've seen when the market, corrects and crashes and whatever. So, so let's see. So basically, the market has recovered a lot today, and let's do the 7 day. Let's do the 1 day. Okay, so this is the 1 day chart. So as you can see, this has been like booming all the way up. It went from less than 388 $1 billion all the way to even 458 $1 billion. So that is a huge increase in just 1 day. And so everyone's like, oh, the market's turning around, it's becoming bullish again. But if you look at the blockchain index, no one really uses this. A lot of people don't know about this, but this is basically the index fund on economy, and it's a weighted index fund. So what it does is it basically just mimics as a coin. This is an individual coin you can buy in Ether Delta, but it just basically mimics the price action of the whole the cryptocurrency market. So as you can see, one thing that I noticed was if you use a logarithmic scale, so as the Bitcoin and the index, the cryptocurrency market, you can see they started to narrow, starting here on October 8th, and basically just shows you that Bitcoin is weakening compared relative to the whole market. And right when they cross here is when the market really started to take off. Bitcoin too, but the market really started to take off and really started to exceed the growth of Bitcoin. And it kind of also reminds me of, because when you do long-term trend following, when when you use the moving averages, when let's say like the 100-day moving average and or the long-term moving average and the short-term moving average, when they cross over, that means it's a change of trend. So basically, it's not the same. I know I'm kind of reaching, but it's kind of a sign when the blockchain market and Bitcoin, when they kind of intersect right here, that's basically showing you that the trend it's really begun. And you can even see it even more as they narrow, as it gets really tight in here. So it's basically showing. So this was obviously October, November. This one, everything was booming, everything was great. Then once we got the super all-time high of the market cap, when it was like at 800 million, right here, it had a huge dip, a huge high, and then it started a downtrend. And what is this, the 1 month? Let me go to the 3 month. Okay, so you can notice that it's a downtrend. Let me take Bitcoin off. So you can see it's a really clear that's a downtrend, because so this is the all-time high. Then after that, when it tries to retouch the all-time high, it gets to the lower high, and then a lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low, then lower. Like, this is a textbook downtrend, and just like this was a textbook uptrend. That's why it kind of looks like almost like a triangle right here, from here to here. So basically, the reason I'm making this video, and this is the 1 day chart we already saw. This is the 1 day, but I'm fairly certain that, look at the 1 day, this growth is crazy. So yeah, basically what I'm making this video is I'm fairly certain. Oh, did it just have a big sell-off? Wow, it could be dropping right now. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is that I'm fairly certain, a bull trap, because even though the 1 day is really rising really strong, the long-term trend is still still going down. Like you can see it right here. It's still in a it's still very bearish market as of right now. From starting from January 9th, from the all-time high of the market, it's still in a downtrend. It hasn't changed yet. So basically, I'm not a financial advisor. I could be wrong. I know a lot of people won't like to hear this, and it's not that I'm against crypto. I love crypto, but what I'm just trying to say is maybe take some money off. That way you can buy back in cheaper when we get this trend action again. Because there's no point, I mean, when you lose value in your portfolio, if you have a $10,000 portfolio and then it drops to 5,000 here, it's going to take, that's a 50% loss, but it's going to take you 100% to get back to this spot. So you really want to avoid these big drawdowns. Imagine if you could exit right around here and then get back when a trend like this continues up. You wouldn't have the huge drawdown. So basically what I'm trying to say is I still think we are in a bearish market. And look at this lower low right here. And this got bought up really quick. That's why it's super sharp by like the trading bots. So if it continues, the next low is going to be huge. It's going to be huge. You probably will see. When was this? On February 6th. It had a really big low. February 6th. Let me see. Hold on. February 6th. Okay. So yeah, this could easily be broken, and that's a $280 billion market cap. It could very easily shoot way below that. Way below. So, let me see. So yeah, this was a. So yeah, and you can even see it right here. Look at. Here's the high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, huge lower low, lower high. It's picking up here, but just be prepared. The high is still the high is it's still slightly lower, but it looks like it might be changing as we speak. So basically, just be prepared for more bearish action, but still be bullish long term. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Team Crypto Daily, and I'm out for the next video. Peace.